In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a message from both sides in Snapchat. So it will be deleted from your friend's side and your side as well. So let's open up Snapchat and then click on the chat icon at the bottom left here. You'll see your chats, and then click on the chat, the person you're chatting with, that you want to delete a message from. So let's just say I have sent a message, hi. And when I delete this message, he'll see that I deleted it. So let's just delete it real quick. So hold on that message, and then you'll see these options. Click delete, and then delete again. And what you want to do now to make sure this is so he doesn't see this, just go back into your chats list here, and then hold on their profile icon just like that, and then you'll see these. Click on manage friendship, and then click on block. Now don't worry, we're going to unblock him. So once you're done that, just go to your profile icon, click on the top left here, and then click on settings at the top right, and then scroll down until you see blocked users right here. And then you'll see this guy that we just blocked. Let's just unblock him. And once we unblock him, the chat will no longer see that we have deleted that message, and the message will be essentially deleted from both sides. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.